Hello, warriors. Welcome back to my channel. This is Cook with Chewa. If you're a new person here, I warmly welcome you. And if you're an old person here, thank you for coming back. Please, if you're a new person here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, I'm going to show you how I make this simple taro root or Kooko and Spinach Abom with pear. And Koobi. Very tasty and delicious and very healthy too, and easy to prepare. So stay tuned and enjoy. With this recipe, I'm going to use these two taro roots that I got from our local shop here. It is already clean and cut. And I'm also going to add some garden eggs here. I have one big onion, very fresh, and also one pear here, avocado. I'm also going to use one salted fish or Koobi here, and I have this dry fish that I'm going to use, or emane, and I'm also going to use some spring onions and one tomato for the garnishing. I have some green pepper and one hot pepper. I have garlic that I'm also going to add. This is optional, but I love the taste of garlic in my abum or stew. I'm also going to use some groundnut paste, and this is the tuna that I'm going to use. If you want, you can decide to use sardine. This is salt to taste, and this is the spinach, baby spinach that I'm going to use here. I'm going to just give this a very nice and clean cut. I love taro root a lot. Kooko is one of my favorite dishes. Very easy and nutritious too, and I love it because when you cook it, this comes out very soft and easy to eat. You can even feed this to a toddler. This contains a lot of water, so when you are cooking, it's better for you to reduce your water if you don't want it to be too soft. But I love it the soft way. So my water has already been boiling. I'm going to add these things to the cocoa, to the water. I've already washed it. Going to add everything to the water, and also add the vegetables and the pepper and also my Koobi to it, and give this a boil for about 10 minutes, and your ampesi will be done. I'm adding my salt to it. So you can see after 10 minutes our cocoa is already done. You can see this very soft. So we're going to just drain the water and go ahead with our abum. I'm just adding hot water to my spinach. This is not like the normal contour that you have to just boil it for some time before you can eat it. This one you can even just use it for your salad fresh, but for it to be easier for you to ground it, that's why I'm adding the hot water to it for about 2 minutes, and your spinach will be done for you to be able to ground easily. You just drain the water out of it and ground it easily. So now you're going to ground everything in this earthenware. You can decide to blend this, but I think grounding it, it gives you that taste of the local dish taste very nicely. So I think it's better you ground it like this, nicely and neatly. And I'm going to add my onions to it, and the garlic and the spring onion, and also adding my salt to it, and you just give it a very nice grind. This one of my favorite dishes. Yeah, it's very easy and simple to to make, and I've added my groundnut paste to it, and very very delicious too. It's very delicious and quick to do or quick to make. Normally, the kids, I don't know why, but they shy away from these, but I love it. And preparing this, is very healthy for you also. But yeah, once a while they enjoy it. It's not been easy as a warrior. Women, we are warriors, okay? So at times you have to just treat yourself to a home cooked meal like this, to just re-energize yourself, okay, for the tasks ahead of you. But in everything, also remember that God is still in control. As I always say, warriors, don't just give up, okay? It's not easy. Nobody knows how you are suffering. Nobody knows how a woman you suffer within yourself, but without God, it's going to be so difficult for you. Let prayers be your portion. You can see how beautiful this dish is. Very healthy and very, very easy to do. You add this, you enjoy it with your family.